Hello, beautiful people. It's Mineral Mondays, and today our special guest is petrified wood. So, petrified wood is wood that was decomposing into the soil, and stone came and overtook that piece of wood, fossilizing that wood into stone. So, this stone is going to be a communicator between heaven and earth because it's got that tree element, it's grounded, it's connected to the spiritual realm, and it's got that stone element, which is very grounding. So this stone's actually going to bring you back into your body so you can do the work. So if you need a calm, slow energy stone, the petrified wood is going to be a very good stone to choose from. And I use this mostly for pretty much every Reiki session because most of us are out of our bodies and just floating around like zombies. So this stone is going to help you get into your body and rebuild that relationship between your body and your soul so that you can stay in your body. Wow. So if you're looking for the ultimate grounding stone, check out Petrified Wood. Like and subscribe and follow me for more. See you guys next week.